Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. It's no surprise James whipped that ass on Jeopardy again. Yes, indeed. I enjoyed the episode though, and that was real nice of James's wife to support him on the show. You know, I mean, that was wonderful. I applaud her for coming to the studio and sit in the studio audience to watch her husband on Jeopardy. You know, in person. You know. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I enjoyed that moment though. Okay. So anyway, I guess that's about 2 more weeks. He gonna win again. You know. Mm-hmm. Yep. 2 more weeks. He'll still be there. 25 days as far as that. You know. Mm-hmm. I can hardly wait for the 25th day. You know. That's if he go 25 days, you know. Nobody hasn't went that long since Ken Jennings, you know. Mm-hmm. Well, technically, nobody went past 20 days since Julia Collins. Okay, so maybe I should compare. No, I ain't gonna do that though. I ain't gonna do that at all. Mm-hmm. You know, this season of Jeopardy reminds me of season 30, you know, not with Arthur Chu, you know, with Sandy Baker and Julia Collins, because Julia Collins was very memorable, okay, very popular, okay, after she defeated Frederic, okay, never gonna forget that, you know. All right. So, and you know something? I wasn't sure if Rainy Pepper was going to be in the Tournament of Champions, but she won over 5 games, you know. Well, she won 5 games at that, you know. But I wasn't worried about Mark Jappinger. I was sure Mark Jappinger was going to be in the Tournament of Champions, but I started to worry about Mark Jappinger, you know. Okay. I thought we wasn't going to see him in the Tournament of Champions, but this it's not about Mark Jappinger or Ben Ingham. It's about James, you know what I mean? Awesome James, you know. All right, that's all Dominoes Southern got to say. Okay, keep on winning your money, James. Keep on spreading all of it, even though you missed all 3 daily doubles. Never gotten all 3 daily doubles. You still won the game, man. Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. Let me see. Let me think for a minute. Andrew Powell, one day Andrew Powell didn't get none of the daily doubles, and he still won, you know. That was one day. I don't recall when he faced off against Michael Cole. Well, we'll have to see. All right. So that's it for now, y'all. Thank y'all for watching the show. Okay. All right. Bye.